welcome back to Booze Clues. Thank you for joining me here today. We are doing another amazing digraph. This digraph, remember, what is a digraph? You're right. You guys are so smart. A digraph is two letters coming together to make one sound. Two letters coming to make one sound. This digraph today we're going to be working with is R. A-R. R. R. The sound I'm listening for today is R. 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 This is a funny digraph. For the action, I know mommy and daddy don't want you sticking out your tongue, but with this one you have to. You go like this. Have you ever gone to the doctor and he says to you, stick out your tongue, and you go, ah, ah. That's our digraph. Ah, ah. That's it. A-R makes this sound. R. The digraph is like R, R, R. When he puts a stick in your tongue, R. That's easy. You guys got this? Are you guys ready to find the digraph in my objects? Remember, the digraph sometimes comes at the beginning, sometimes it's in the middle, and sometimes it's at the end of the word. So we have to listen really hard to see where is the digraph R. A-R, R, R, in my words, in my objects today. Words, Here we go, ready? When me and Miss Linda sometimes spend time together, or maybe you and mommy or daddy, or you and your brothers and sisters, I bet you like to play cards.
Hold it up. We can't see
sorry.
it. That's okay.
Cards. Cards.
Oh, we like to play cards.
Okay. I go grocery shopping sometimes with my mommy and daddy. I bet you do too. And sometimes you use a cart.
Oh, I like it when my mom lets me push the cart.
You do too?
I love that. So much fun.
Cart. Good job.
But I'm not a baby. I don't ride in the cart anymore.
Oh, would be funny.
Would be kind of funny.
Can you imagine me in a cart?
I can use my imagination. Mm-hmm.
Oh, silly. Okay. What is this? No, he's not the dog. What is he doing? He's going. What sound does a dog do? What sound is he doing? He's going, bark, 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 bark. He's doing bark, bark, bark. Ready? Here we go. Old MacDonald had a... No, he didn't have a sheep. Maybe he had a sheep, but that's not what I'm looking for. Old MacDonald had a farm. Farm. That's right. I like how you got that. Really? Okay. When I'm knitting, I knit sometimes and I use this. Do you know what it is? No, it's not string. It's not string. It's called yarn. Yarn. Okay. Oh, I drove one of these today to get here. I bet your mommy or daddy have one and you go all over the place. What do you go in? How do you travel? Ready? Car. R. Car. Ready? Sometimes when I have treats, leftovers, I'll put my treats in a jar. Jar. R. Jar. Okay? Oh. I don't know what he is. What do you think he is? No, it's not a man.
Oh, wait a minute. I think he works at the farm.
That's right. And he is a farmer.
Two times.
What?
There's two digraphs.
Farmer.
But they're different.
Yeah. Oh, Miss Linda, you are so smart. Oh, let's have a quick look at my objects, my AR digraphs. R. A-R. R. Okay, so we're going to write the letter today, the digraph A-R. Miss Leona's going to put it on the table because I'm going all over when I'm writing my A-R things. Okay, here we go. Ready? A. Remember, these are all lowercase digraphs, A-R. Unless they are at the beginning of the word, then we use a capital letter. But this one is A-R. So we're going to go A. Oh, this one's, I'm going to start over. This one's kind of funky. Over here. A. Around. Oh, that's even horrible. I'm going to try. I'm too close to the edge here. Over here. There we go. Much better.
It's all right to try again.
Yeah. A. Up. Touch. Down. A. Miss Leona. I like how that. And right here. We start here. Down. Up again. And it's like a little hat. A-R. R. Try again. Here we go. Right here. Around. Oops, sorry. Touch. And down. A. R. Down. And up. Like a little hat. A-R. R. R. The digraph today is A-R. The sound we're listening for is R. R. The action is like sticking out your tongue at the doctor and going R. R. Have you ever done that? Have you ever had to go to the doctor sometimes and he's like, stick out your tongue, and you're like, ah, ah, just like that. Thank you for joining me here, guys. Remember, the digraph comes at the beginning, the middle, or the end of the word. Also, the digraph, listen carefully, it can be anywhere, right? Thank you guys for joining me here on Boost Clues. We'll see you again. Bye.